Hey YouTube, it's your girl Melissa. I keep saying girl, but me, the girl Melissa. I finally got my package in today. It came in super early this morning. I had ordered some products from Naptural85 website, and I'm just unboxing it right now. It came in this package, nicely wrapped and everything. Unbox it. Came nicely packaged. I can't wait to try it. It came in bubble wrap, nice and neat. It came with, I ordered the Melanin multi-use per oil blend. Can I see that? Can't wait to use this. This is nice size bottle. I thought it was going to be smaller, but it's pretty neat. And I also got the long lasting definition. It said no sulfates, no paraffin, I can't pronounce that word. No mineral oil, no formulas, no whatever. It's supposed to be all natural. So it's just shea butter plus natural oils. This is the Melon Twist elongating style cream. I can't pronounce these words, but yeah. I'm gonna open it and see how it smells. A fresh scent to it. Can't wait to use it. I love Naptural85. She is so talented in everything. I just love her. And this is the shipping details and everything. So yeah, it's neat. Everything nice and neat. And I got a sucker. Is this a sucker? Is it a sucker? It says strawberry. Cute. Thank you. It's so cute. I like this. It is so sweet. I like that. It's very talented. What's now talented? And this is, she's so sweet, guys. I just love her so much. She got photos in here. This is so neat. I love her. She has such a sweet personality. She's saying, "We're suckers for you. Hi there, Melanin Bay." It's cute. We can't wait to see what sweet hairstyles she creates. We'll be rounding up our favorites, so to be featured, make sure to tag your high-resolution photos with Melanin hair care and use the hashtags. I said hair tags. Hashtags. Melanin hair care, Melanin Bay. We truly appreciate your support and are so thankful to have you as part of our Melanin hair care family. Oh, that's so sweet. And we got the website. This is so cute. I love her so much, guys. So cute. And this is the back of it. I love her so much. I can't wait to start using this. I really can't. And then she put this up. Thank you so much. And it says ZOMG, like oh my god. I can't believe it's finally here. What's up, guys? Thank you so much for your support of my new hair care line, Melanin Hair Care. I can't. Oh, it's an exclamation mark. I'm so sorry. Can you believe it? My secret labor of love is finally in your hands. This box contains years of hard work and dedication in order to create a product line that not only I, but you as well, can be proud of. I thought of you every step of the way, from the ingredients and price points to packaging and availability. I set out to make this line one that would benefit our entire community as a whole. This product line is not a collaboration, is not a venture partnership, nor is it repackaged or spoon product formulas. This is the hard work due to diligence and scrappy perseverance of my sister and myself, from beginning to end and everything in between. I truly hope that you enjoy your products. With love, Whitney White, Natural85. She is so sweet, guys. And I can't wait to use this. This is the card that she got in there. And this is the back of it. So once I start using this, hopefully probably one day next week, or it might be sooner than that, but you know, I would definitely give her a shout out and do a hashtag. I can't wait to use this, guys. I'm so excited. And it's very affordable. Very affordable. I can't remember how much I paid for it, but it's not over $50. It's really not. I don't even think it's like, it probably like 40 something with everything, with tax and everything, but it's still good. Cause these are some pretty good size products. Wow. Thank you, Naptural85. I can't wait to start using this. So that's the end of my video. I just want to share that my products came in today. The Melanin Hair Care from Naptural85, and she is so sweet. And thank you for thinking of us. And thank you for the sucker. It is so cute. It's so pretty. I don't want to eat it, but it's gonna get eaten. You best believe that. But thank you so much. And she just such a sweetheart. You know, she just put all her dedication, her love, just for us, guys. And everything in here is like natural ingredients and everything. And the first ingredient in here is water. That's a good thing. A very good thing. Some of the stuff in here I can't pronounce, but you know, it don't matter. Some people say glycerin, they don't want to got a little glycerin in it, but it's in here, but it's good for your hair, guys. It really is. But thank you, Naptural85, for these products, and I can't wait to get that wowzer in my hair. So thank you so much. You're such a sweetie. Thank you, guys. Comment, like, subscribe to my channel, and toodles.